Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the English PK. In our last lesson, we learned 10 daily use sentences, 5 new vocabulary words, and a short conversation. Today, we will continue learning more daily use sentences. These sentences are very simple, but very powerful. You can use them every day in school, at home, and with friends. We will also learn some new words, practice a short dialogue, and get another useful tip. So, let's start today's lesson. Daily use sentences with practice. First sentence, please wait. We say this when we want someone to stop for a moment. Repeat after me. Please wait. Please wait. Imagine, you are busy writing homework. You tell your friend, please wait. Next sentence, I am busy right now. This means you are doing something and cannot talk or play. Repeat, I am busy right now. I am busy right now. Now, say it in your own words. I am busy right now, please come later. Sentence 3, come with me. We use this to invite someone to go together. Repeat, come with me. Come with me. Say it to me now. Come with me, teacher. Sentence 4, I don't understand. This is very important in school. When the teacher explains something and you are confused, you can say this politely. Repeat, I don't understand. I don't understand. Now, imagine I am teaching you maths. You say, sorry, teacher. I don't understand. Sentence 5. Can you help me, please? This is polite and respectful. Repeat. Can you help me, please? Say it again with a smile. Can you help me, please? Sentence 6. I am thirsty. This means you want to drink water. Repeat. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Say, I am thirsty. Please give me some water. Sentence 7. Don't worry. We say this to make someone feel better. Repeat. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now imagine your friend lost a pencil. Tell them, don't worry. I will give you mine. Sentence 8. Be careful. We use this to warn or guide someone. Repeat. Be careful. Be careful. Now say it again. Be careful on the road. Sentence 9. I am ready. We use this when we are prepared. Repeat. I am ready. I am ready. Say, I am ready for school. Sentence 10. It's time to go. We use this when it's the right time to leave. Repeat. It's time to go. It's time to go. Now say, it's time to go home. Vocabulary time. Now let's learn 5 new words. Listen carefully. Repeat after me, and try to make your own sentence. Busy. Doing something, not free. Example. I am busy with homework. 2. Quickly. Fast, without waiting. Example. Please finish your work quickly. 3. Friend. A person you like and trust. Example. Ali is my best friend. 4. Honest. Always telling the truth. Example. Sarah is an honest girl. 5. School. A place where we study. Example. I go to school every day. Conversation practice. Now let's practice a short conversation. Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? B. Yes, of course. What happened? A. I don't understand this lesson. B. Don't worry, I will explain. Thank you so much. B. You're welcome. Let's study together. That's a great idea. B. Yes, learning is easier with friends. Now try this conversation with your parents. English learning tip. Today's tip is, learn 5 new words every day. Write them down in your notebook. Make 1 sentence with each word. By the end of the month, you will know 150 new words. That's amazing progress. Recap. Today we learned 10 new daily use sentences, 5 new vocabulary words, 1 short conversation, 1 powerful tip to improve English. Great job, students. Keep practicing daily. Well done. I am very proud of you. Keep practicing these sentences every day. Thank you for watching the English PK. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.